Good morning, everyone. I am Aina Siddiqui, student of class 12. Today, I'm here to teach you the topic latitude and longitude. So, firstly, I will tell you about the latitude, how it helps us to determine the various climate zones. So, firstly, what is latitude? Latitude is an imaginary line which runs from the west to east. This is our west side, and this is our east side. So latitude is what which runs from the west to east, and it is parallel to the longest latitude, that is the equator. And now what does equator mean? Equator divides Earth into northern and southern hemisphere. And when we talk about how to measure the distance, we measure the distance in degree, which starts from the 0 degree at equator and goes up to the 90 degree at the tip of the north till it reaches the north. And when we come downward the equator, it is measured as a minus 90 degree. Now, rather than latitude and equator, we have some more important latitude, that is a Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, and Antarctic Circle. So what all this means? This all help us to determine the various climatic zones around the globe according to sunlight received a reason throughout the year. So how? So the reason between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn receive more sunlight, due to which the climate of the area is very humid and warm along with a heavy rainfall. And the reason between the pole and Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle, the reason between the polar region and tropical region is called as temperate zone. And now what this temperate zone means? The zone which have all the four seasons. And now beyond the polar region, the region have wintry and snowy climates because due to lack of sunlight. Now moving on, let me tell you first what longitude means. Longitude is started from the top of the pole, moving apart from the center just to meet other pole at the bottom. And the line which you are seeing that is stretching between the center, that is a tri-meridian. Like equator, it's also divide Earth into western and eastern hemisphere. Western and eastern hemisphere. And it started with 0 degree and goes up to 180 degree at east, and when we move toward west, it goes up to minus 180 degree. Now why we need this line? We need this line to know the various time zones around the world, because it is impossible, we know that if it's daytime to one pole, then it is night time to other poles. So for that, now the line which is passing from the center, it is passing from the Greenwich, which is near the London. It is considered standard because all the time zone calculated accordingly. How? Let me tell you. You just not need to do anything. You just need to calculate the line, and each degree has a difference of 4 minutes. So just calculate like it's at 12 noon on Greenwich, then which is at 0 degree. When I talk you about at 1 degree, what will be the time? So as I told you that every degree has a 4 minute difference, then the time will be also have a 4 minutes difference. So if it's 12 o'clock at 0 degree, then 1 degree it will be 12 4. And like the same way, at 2 degree, it will be 12 8, and so on.